Hey, listen, are you ready for some football? I am. Listen, welcome to Las Vegas. I'm Sarah the Greek. This is the best bets for today. Okay, New England over Detroit. -7. Yeah. Giants over Dallas. Take the points. Okay. Jets over Buffalo. Give the points, right? Okay. These are my 3 bets. I'm Sarah the Greek for Las Vegas. Okay.